there, smart buyers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make better purchasing decisions without having to go through a million reviews. Today, we're diving into the world of 3D printing with two heavyweights, the ELEGOO Mars 4 and the AnkerMake M5C. It's a battle of the 3D titans. So grab your popcorn, because this is going to be one heck of a ride. Let's kick things off with the price. The ELEGOO Mars 4 costs $309, while the AnkerMake M5C is a bit pricier at $399. That's a difference of $90. You could buy yourself a fancy dinner or a questionable souvenir with that money. But hey, let's see if that extra cash is worth it. First up, printing speed. The Mars 4 boasts a top speed of 70 millimeters per hour. Not bad, right? But wait until you hear this. The AnkerMake M5C can hit a whopping 500 millimeters per second. It's like comparing a tortoise to a cheetah on Red Bull. So if you're in a hurry to print your next masterpiece, the M5C might just be your new best friend. Now, let's talk about print quality. The Mars 4, it's like having a tiny HD TV for your prints. Meanwhile, the AnkerMake M5C promises 0.1 millimeters precision and can go even finer with its precision mode, hitting up to 50 micrometers resolution with a 0.2 millimeters nozzle. It's like comparing a magnifying glass to an electron microscope. If you want every tiny detail to pop, the M5C has got your back. Next, let's stick to the topic of adhesion. Pun totally intended. The Mars 4 features a laser-carved build plate that grips your model like a koala on a eucalyptus tree. On the other hand, the M5C has a PEI flexible magnetic plate, making it super easy to remove your prints. Think of it as the difference between peeling a stubborn sticker and peeling a banana. For hassle-free removal, the M5C wins this round. Moving on to connectivity and control. The Mars 4 has a 3.5-inch touchscreen with model preview and progress bar, but it's like using a flip phone in the age of smartphones. Meanwhile, the M5C lets you control and monitor your prints via Wi-Fi and Bluetooth from your mobile device. It's like having a personal assistant for your 3D printer. Alexa, print me a miniature Eiffel Tower. Now, let's talk versatility and reliability. The Mars 4 has a COB UV light source with 36 LEDs, offering uniform light and realistic model details. But the M5C brings out the big guns with wear-resistant components, a 300 degrees Celsius all-metal hot end, and compatibility with a smorgasbord of filament materials like PLA, PETG, ABS, TPU, and even carbon fiber PLA. It's like bringing a Swiss Army knife to a knife fight. Lastly, user-friendliness. The Mars 4 offers the VoxelDance Tango slicing software with 3 printing modes, which is quite nifty. But the M5C is like the IKEA of 3D printers. 49-point automatic bed leveling, integrated design for easy installation, and power and filament outage recovery. It's practically foolproof. Even your dog could probably set it up. Reviewers praise the ELEGOO Mars 4 for its high-quality prints, making it a fantastic option for both hobbyists and professionals. However, the instructions could be better. On the other hand, the AnkerMake M5C wins accolades for its speed, ease of use, and versatility, although some users have faced issues with larger prints and noise levels. So there you have it, folks. Both the ELEGOO Mars 4 and the AnkerMake M5C are fantastic 3D printers, but they cater to different needs and budgets. If you want a budget-friendly option with solid features, go for the Mars 4. But if you're willing to splurge for speed, precision, and versatility, the M5C is your go-to. Let us know which one you'd pick in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more smart buying guides. Until next time, keep printing and stay smart. Product links are in the description.